Hello guys, I'm Roosevelt, and in this video I'll be showing you how to change colors faster in Adobe Photoshop. So I have my image here and I want to change this color. So to change the color, you will first add a hue saturation adjustment. So click here and select hue saturation. Over here, select the hand icon. Now hold down the control key, left click and hold to change the hue color. So I'll be going with something like this. Now release the control key, left click and hold and drag to change the saturation of the color. So just release the control key, left click and drag to change the saturation of the color, and then you are good to go. So guys, this is how you can quickly change colors in Adobe Photoshop. If you like this video and then you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please do so. Also comment, like and share with others.